A successful comeback starts in the mind. Your mindset shapes your reality. When faced with adversity, resilience is key. It's what keeps you going when things get tough. Believe in your ability to overcome obstacles. This belief is the foundation of any great comeback. Think about famous comebacks in history. Michael Jordan, after retiring, returned to basketball and led the Chicago Bulls to 3 more championships. His mindset was unbreakable. He believed in himself and his team. This belief fueled his actions and results. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Develop a positive mindset. Practice gratitude daily. Focus on what you can control. Let go of what you can't. Resilience is built through small daily victories. Celebrate each one. Goals give direction. They turn dreams into reality. But not just any goals. They need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures clarity and focus. It turns vague ideas into actionable plans. Start with specific goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I will exercise for 30 minutes, 5 days a week." This specificity makes it easier to track progress. Measurable goals let you see your achievements. They keep you motivated. Achievable goals are realistic. They stretch you, but are within reach. Relevant goals align with your values and long-term objectives. Time-bound goals have deadlines. They create urgency and prevent procrastination. Write down your goals, review them regularly, adjust as needed. Financial recovery starts with a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your money. It shows where your money goes and helps you control it. Start by tracking your expenses. Write down everything you spend for a month. This will reveal spending patterns. Next, categorize your expenses. Identify needs versus wants. Prioritize essentials like housing, food, and utilities. Allocate money for savings and debt repayment. Cut unnecessary expenses. This might mean dining out less or canceling unused subscriptions. Every dollar saved is a step toward financial freedom. Set up an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This cushion protects you from unexpected financial shocks. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This makes saving effortless and consistent. Saving is essential, but to build wealth, you need to invest. Investing grows your money over time. Start with a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages. Contribute regularly. Take advantage of employer matching if available. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread it across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. This reduces risk. Learn about different investment options. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power in investing. Consider multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is risky. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or passive income opportunities. This could be anything from starting a blog to investing in rental properties. Multiple income streams provide financial security and growth. Physical health. Exercise and balanced diet. Physical health is the foundation of a successful comeback. Regular exercise boosts energy, improves mood, and enhances overall well-being. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Find an activity you enjoy. This makes it easier to stick with it. Strength training is also important. It builds muscle, strengthens bones, and boosts metabolism. Incorporate strength training exercises at least twice a week. Don't forget flexibility exercises. Stretching improves mobility and reduces the risk of injury. A balanced diet fuels your body. Eat a variety of foods. Focus on whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Small, sustainable changes lead to lasting health benefits. Mental health, care, and maintenance. Mental health is just as important as physical health. It affects how we think, feel, and act. Start by acknowledging your feelings. It's okay to not be okay. Seek help if needed. Talk to a therapist or counselor. They can provide support and strategies for managing stress and anxiety. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment. It reduces stress and improves focus. Try meditation or deep breathing exercises. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Journaling is another great tool. Write down your thoughts and feelings. It helps process emotions and gain clarity. Stay connected with loved ones. Social support is crucial for mental health. Spend time with friends and family. Engage in activities you enjoy. Take breaks when needed. Rest and relaxation are vital for mental well-being. Prioritize self-care. It's not selfish, it's necessary. Achieving freedom. Financial and health goals. Financial and health goals lead to freedom. Financial freedom means having enough money to live comfortably without constant worry. It allows you to pursue passions, travel, and spend time with loved ones. Health freedom means having the energy and vitality to enjoy life fully. Achieving these goals requires discipline and consistency. Stick to your budget. Invest regularly. Make healthy choices daily. It's the small, consistent actions that lead to big results. Track your progress. Celebrate milestones. This keeps you motivated and focused. Freedom is not just about money and health. It's about living life on your terms. It's about having the time and energy to do what you love. It's about being able to say yes to new opportunities and experiences. This is the ultimate goal of any comeback. Inspirational stories and quotes. Real-life stories inspire us. Take J.K. Rowling, for example. Before Harry Potter, she was a single mother living on welfare. She faced countless rejections, but she never gave up. Her resilience and belief in her story led to one of the most successful book series in history. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. This quote reminds us that setbacks are part of the journey. What matters is the courage to keep going. Another powerful quote is from Nelson Mandela. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Personal stories also inspire. Think of a time when you faced a challenge and overcame it. What did you learn? How did it make you stronger? Share your story with others. It can motivate and inspire them to start their own comeback journey. Achieving the biggest comeback of your life is possible. It starts with the right mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. Set SMART goals. They provide direction and focus. Take practical steps for financial recovery. Budget, save, and invest. Build multiple income streams. Improve your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly. Eat a balanced diet and practice self-care. These steps lead to freedom. Financial and health freedom allow you to live life on your terms. They give you the time and energy to pursue your passions. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Stay resilient. Keep moving forward. Share your journey with others. Inspire and be inspired. Your comeback story can start today. Take the first step. Believe in yourself. The best is yet to come.